Starting with the gap pads, here are some of the key properties that separate them from other thermal interface materials. Developed to be easily pick and placed within solutions that require no secondary processes, gap pads come in a variety of thicknesses and provide high durability and vibration dampening at larger thicknesses.
As many know, they can easily be cut or sized for unique shapes as well as easily reworked. Gap pads provide excellent electrical isolation, even greater levels provided an additional carrier with dielectric properties.
They're often designed to require low compression force and increasingly are tasked with compatibility with automated pick-and-place technology for very high volumes. Building off of those properties, here are some of the development trends that are impacting new product formulations. As with nearly all products, commercial considerations are important for gap pads, and the overall cost of raw materials can be decreased by utilizing lower cost or more commercially available conductive fillers. This can also include sourcing raw materials and processing them internally to meet specific product cost benchmarks.
As with all the thermal interface materials, the higher conductivity requirements are needed due to increased power and increased electronic component density.
Silicone is a common polymer base for thermal gap pads due to low cost, a large temperature range, and ease of use. However, silicone oil can be a byproduct of silicone-based TIMs. By processing TIMs and modifying additives within the formulation, silicone oil migration out of the thermal interface material, otherwise known as silicone oil bleed, can be reduced in order to improve aesthetic concerns as well as reduce the need for additional PCB cleaning.
As board design becomes more intricate, there are maximum force requirements in underlying components. Minimizing the peak force in the electronics as well as increasing the degree of stress relaxation helps to reduce possible damage to expensive electronics.
And as volumes increase, there's a desire to integrate gap pad assembly into automated pick-and-place technology in order to increase throughput and reduce the cycle time.
This leads to the newest thermal gap pads from Comerix, Pad 10, Pad 80 LOE. Pad 10 is a 1 watt, very soft gap pad at very cost-effective price point. 1 watt is a very low thermal conductivity, especially by modern standards where thermal performance needs are increasing. However, there is still a considerable number of applications that require low-level conductivity. Comerix developed Pad 10 as this TIM solution, meaning low-cost needs for high-volume applications.
On the other hand of the performance spectrum, we have also developed Pad 80 LOE, a gap pad with 8.0 watts per meter Kelvin of thermal conductivity designed to meet every design trend we had just mentioned. High thermal performance, low silicone oil migration, high stress relaxation, and compatibility with automated pick-and-place technology makes Pad 80 LOE an ideal solution for high-volume, high-performance thermal needs.